Right, so here we have the squeaky door. Let's have a listen. Ooh. Yeah, definitely the squeaky door. And normally we nip out of the shed and we either get the oil can or some WD-40 and give a little squirt over the hinge. The problem is, as we know, it often runs down over your nice clean white paintwork and stains it with a big brown stain. So nowadays I don't tend to use these. This I feel is the way forward, using these silicone sprays you can get nowadays. Basically they leave a nice clear finish on there, it does not stain your paintwork, but still works just as good as any normal oil you would normally use on these hinges. So this particular one also, as you can see, has a little nozzle on there, which makes it a bit more accurate. So just give a little spray over the hinge, get a little bit of kitchen towel or a bit of tissue and give it a wipe. Nice and clean. I'm going to do the same on the bottom one now. So, as easy as that. Now let's see how the squeak's progressing. Gone. Brilliant. So there we have it. Silicone spray on hinges.